2 simple habits for a healthier, longer life, absolutely free. Want to add years to your life and feel fantastic? Discover 2 incredibly simple, completely free habits that can transform your health. Let's dive in. Walking is more than just getting from point A to point B. It's a powerful tool for boosting your overall well-being. A daily walk can be truly life-changing. Walking improves cardiovascular health by boosting circulation and lowering blood pressure. It also reduces the risk of heart disease, strengthening your heart with every step. Regular walking helps manage your weight by burning calories. The CDC recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate activity weekly for optimal health. Walking is also great for your mental health, reducing anxiety and depression. Physical activity releases endorphins, naturally enhancing your mood. Walking strengthens bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Studies show regular walkers have a lower risk of premature death. Sunlight is essential for our health, providing benefits you might not realize. Let's explore the power of soaking up the sun. Sun exposure helps your body produce vitamin D, crucial for bone health and immune function. Vitamin D deficiency is linked to many health issues. Natural sunlight boosts serotonin, the feel-good hormone, improving your mood. Increased serotonin levels can alleviate symptoms of depression. Sunlight regulates your sleep-wake cycle, improving sleep quality. The more natural light you get during the day, the better you'll sleep at night. Adequate sunlight exposure can lower the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease. It significantly enhances your overall well-being. Integrating these habits is easier than you think. Start small and build from there. Aim for a 30-minute walk daily, even if it's just around your neighborhood. Break it into smaller chunks if needed. Spend at least 15 to 30 minutes in the sun each day, especially in the morning when the rays are less intense. Walking and exposure to sunlight are simple yet effective ways to boost your health and extend your life. No equipment is needed, and anyone can adapt these activities to their daily life. So put on your walking shoes and soak up some sun. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more health tips. Let's embrace a healthier, happier life together.